They will contact the institute through the use of the contact handle top a girl who loved bowling and dog shirt or the helpline quantity. Such contact helps the candidates to be prepared for the examination and anticipate good SBIPO consequences. An OBC applicant with 57% in his top a girl who loved bowling and dog shirt, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck, made in accordance with the person's private specs. This explicit top a girl who loved bowling and dog shirt present is sensible as a result of many people use blankets to not solely beautify their dwelling. 5.5 quite simple issues you'll be able to do to keep away from losing commencement means. They're impressing want to rent a digital advertising and marketing group for various positions. In case your submitted utility is full, the exam in progress and AMP diploma administration crew will change the standing of your utility to accredited utility and can begin with creating your diploma paperwork. For those who discover any outcomes lacking in your research progress overview, you have to get in contact along with your diploma program's examination administration. Other products.